Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you could go ahead and post long videos on your WhatsApp status. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now of course, you want to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application right here, and once inside, I'm gonna go ahead and show you on why you can go ahead and upload longer videos inside your WhatsApp status. And as you could go ahead and see, when I manually record my videos inside the WhatsApp status, it only takes up to 30 seconds, and that is the limit of it. Now to go ahead and upload longer videos than 30 seconds, you have to go back and you have to get your video pre-recorded. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up a private chat right here, and I have this video of me climbing in this steep wall. And as you could go ahead and see, the video is 2 minutes and 20 seconds long. So the way to go ahead and upload this into your WhatsApp status, just go ahead and click on the share button that we have right here, and at the bottom you could go ahead and see the my status and my contacts. So just go ahead and click on the first option that we have, and as you could go ahead and see, we can now go ahead and upload this video into our WhatsApp status. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.